Sarah Miller had just gotten her driver's license. Now, all she needed was a car. There was one problem. She had no money. Sarah got a summer job at an ice cream store. She worked hard all summer. She saved every dollar. After 3 months, Sarah could finally afford a car. She bought a used one. The car had a lot of scratches. One of the windows was cracked. The seats all had big stains on them. The inside even smelled funny. "It's perfect," Sarah insisted. All her work had paid off. She did not care if other people liked it or not. She was proud of herself.